The architectural marvel known as Casa RCR epitomizes a fusion of modern design and natural elements, nestled within the serene environs of Anadia city, Portugal. With its contemporary aesthetic and thoughtful spatial arrangements, this stunning residence offers a tranquil retreat for its inhabitants. Boasting a striking balance between form and function, Casa RCR features a layout meticulously crafted to harmonize with its surroundings. Spread across 2 floors, the residence comprises 3 bedrooms alongside inviting communal spaces. The ground floor showcases expansive living and dining areas seamlessly connected to the outdoors, perfect for embracing the beauty of nature while entertaining guests. The design ethos of Casa RCR prioritizes the infusion of natural light and ventilation, creating an airy and inviting atmosphere throughout the interior spaces. Floor-to-ceiling windows and strategically placed skylights illuminate the home, blurring the boundaries between indoors and outdoors and offering breathtaking views of the picturesque landscape, including the majestic Serra do Caramulo. Materials such as lacquered aluminum, glass, and exposed concrete characterize the contemporary facade, while wooden accents introduce a touch of warmth and organic charm. The integration of outdoor elements, such as garden pathways and lush greenery, further enhances the connection to nature, providing a serene backdrop for daily living. Within Casa RCR's interior, the design ethos seamlessly extends, fostering a symbiotic relationship between modern luxury and the surrounding natural landscape. The spacious living areas exude an atmosphere of comfort and sophistication, with sleek furnishings and minimalist decor elements complementing the architectural aesthetic. The 3 bedrooms, thoughtfully positioned on the upper floor, offer a sanctuary of serenity and relaxation. Each room boasts panoramic views of the surrounding scenery, inviting occupants to awaken to the beauty of the outdoors. The outdoor spaces are thoughtfully designed to maximize enjoyment and relaxation, with designated areas for dining, entertaining, and unwinding. A barbecue area provides the perfect setting for al fresco dining, where residents can savor meals amidst the backdrop of lush greenery and serene surroundings. At the heart of Casa RCR lies a commitment to balance and harmony, evident in its meticulous design and seamless integration with the natural environment. This modern nature house serves as a testament to architectural excellence, offering a sanctuary of tranquility and sophistication in the heart of Anadia city, Portugal.